Here we are on the shores of Wanaka. You can see over there they have the race set up. Lots of swimmers out there practicing for the race this weekend as I step off the edge there. But we're heading out to the tree over there where all those people have gathered. Hashtag the Wanaka tree.
That Wanaka tree.
That Wanaka tree, not that one. That one over there. Hashtag that Wanaka tree. Officially named that on Google Maps because what else would you call it other than an Instagram hashtag, right?
Yeah.
Lauren's all done up just for the tree.
That's
nothing to do with her birthday or Valentine's Day. That's why we're here. It's all for the tree. We're at that tree and there's a duck with its ducklings hanging out on it and a little gull there. This is the tree. It's so special. And it's raining. More ducks. Quack, quack. Hashtag that Wanaka tree. We're now going back to the car in the rain.
Oh no, there's a tree.
It's really coming down now. Got our run in for the day.
That wasn't a good run. Hey, is this part of the triathlon race?
Looks like it. All kinds of stuff set up for that triathlon today. Yeah.
Tomorrow. No, Saturday.
It's Saturday. It's 2 days away. And yet so much of the race is already set up. They take it real seriously.